This video is created for version 3.0 in CellSmart POS, and in this video I'll be showing you how to create a new user. To create a new user, you may click on the Admin Tools tab, then Employee List. Here you may click on the New button, and you'll be presented with the Employee window. Here you may select your gender, enter the name of the user, let's enter Frank, set up a password which requires a minimum of 6 characters, select the role of the user by clicking the drop-down menu, and here you are given a few options. So let's choose Frank as our manager. Once you select the role from the drop-down menu, you can change the rights within that specific role by clicking on this button. Here you are presented with many permission categories. To edit these categories, you may click on the arrow which will open a list of different user rights. And to turn off or turn on a user's access to these options, you may simply check or uncheck the appropriate checkbox. And once you're done, you may click out from the window. If you would like to create a new user type with different user rights, which will later appear in this drop-down menu, you may do so by clicking the Roles button. Here you can add a new user type or role by clicking on the New button. In the template name, you would enter the name of the user type, for example, employee or user. And here you can change their accessibilities and click Save when done. And now that we have created this new user type or new role, we can select it by clicking on this drop-down menu. You can also add a picture of the user by clicking here, then clicking on Add Image, and opening your image by selecting it and clicking on Open. Here you are given the option to enter any other additional information regarding the user. You are given options such as setting up a payroll or managing user performance. To manage performance, you can click here and turn it on, enter the yellow light amount, which is breaking even, or the green light amount, which is profit. And once you're done, you may click out from this window. Similarly, you can also set up a discount limit for that specific user by clicking here and selecting the category and changing the discount percentage. You also have the option to set up commissions for that specific user by toggling this button, selecting the template, and selecting the pay. You can also add any notes. Once you're done entering all this information, you may go ahead and click Save. You can also edit or delete these users if you're an admin by clicking on the user and selecting either Edit or Delete. And that's how you create a new user in CellSmart POS.